Hey, good looking, what's cooking? Hey, this is Jay Souffle, and I was watching CaribbeanPot.com. That's my man's, and he kind of inspired my next video to make this baked chicken. So I basically took a little bit of his idea and did it in a cast iron pan. Put it in the oven, but I souffled that thing up, man. Jay Souffle. I got a little bit of Jamaican jerk season. I had some sofrito, and I had some that good old garlic paste. And like in my other video, I showed you guys how to make it. And I'm making white rice to complement it. So put it in there. Put an onion inside that bad boy, a little vinegar, a little bit of olive oil. Put some rubber gloves on, molested it real good. I actually stabbed the chicken with this little device I have that puts like these little punctures in it so it could soak up all that good old ginger. I put some ginger in there, man. This thing is looking good. So basically, I just want to let y'all know, man, here goes another episode. No further ado, Jay Souffle, baked chicken, PR, Jamaican slash style. Yo, it's gonna be banging. My ingredients. I have a lime, an onion, some sea salt, cayenne pepper, some fresh ground black pepper, and some adobo. Got some olive oil, onion in the bad boy, put an onion inside that bad boy, some basil, some thyme, some of that jerk season, like I said, the sofrito and the garlic paste, it brings it all home. I would like to, usually you would want to let it marinate for a day or two, and with that rice. It was that rice I was telling you about. That rice makes everything nice. Bam, wham, bam. Make some ginger tea again. Been drinking this ginger tea a lot lately, man. I get that from Mom. It's most definitely a remedy. Just sometimes when you drink the tea, it makes you not want to eat. Almost makes you feel like you don't have to eat. But I can see why a lot of Chinese people and Indian people drink tea.